Yo, have you been in a situation na hindi pa sinasagot ni God yung prayers mo for a very long time? But take note, waiting is not wasting. Because in our waiting time, that is when we build our patience, trust, and reliance kay God alone. Sabi nga sa John 13:7, you do not realize now what I'm doing, but later you will understand. So, this is for you. So I brought it up on a desperate prayer. Lord, why are you keeping me here? Then he said to me, child, I'm planting seed. I'm a good God and I have a good plan. So trust that I'm holding a watering can. And someday you'll see that flowers grow in the valley. Lagi niyong tandaan na mas masarap ang ihahain sa taong marunong maghintay. And then, Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. So, kapit lang, keep holding on. Just enjoy the journey while waiting. And then, pag nainip tayo, di gumala tayo, di ba? So, that's it for today!